So number 5, the role of assessment methods in evaluating learner comprehension and achievements of learning objectives. So assessment methods play an essential role in determining learner comprehension and achievement of learning objective in a session plan. So using a variety of assessment methods such as quizzes, interviews, reflective writing, vocal responses, and presentations, educators can successfully measure students' progress and adjust instructions to meet specific needs. So these methods provide useful insights into what learners know, understand, and can do, allowing teachers to assess the success of their teaching strategies and adapt them as needed. So in addition, utilizing a variety of assessment methods ensures that instructors can reliably assess students' learning, make instructional decisions, and successfully promote student growth within a session plan. So, teachers, for example, can use formative evaluations such as entry and exit questions to continuously check student understanding, provide timely feedback, and alter their lesson plans to achieve optimal learning results. So number 6, techniques for revising and refining the session plan based on feedback and reflection. So one key part of session planning is procedures for revising and refining the plan is in response to feedback and reflection. So this includes reviewing the session plan after it has been implemented and collecting input from participants or learners. So the feedback can provide useful insights into the plan's efficacy and opportunities for development. So one method for revising and improving the session plan is to examine the feedback and discover any patterns or common themes. So this might help identify specific aspects of the strategy that may require change or improvement. So for example, if numerous participants provide feedback on the clarity of instructions, the session plan may need to be revised and more comprehensive instructions included.